Welcome to Hammerspace. In this video, we're going to discuss data management without gravity. Legacy storage perpetuates data gravity. Data is managed traditionally through the infrastructure and thus limited by its constraints. It has limited scalability despite the promise of horizontal scale out. It's typically not elastic, which means you can grow, but you cannot scale back, which to me sounds a little bit like Hotel California. You can check out, but you can never leave. It often leads to stranded capacity and performance because it's very, very difficult to make sure that you have enough capacity and enough performance and not too much for each of the different silos. And it perpetuates silos and sprawl in general. And silo data is often difficult to monetize because it loses its value fast as it has to be recreated because data cannot be found. Public cloud has partially solved some of those problems, but not all of them. The solution to this dilemma is to put metadata in charge. What does that mean? Well, if we look at the typical storage scenario, right, we have a number of disparate storage solutions, maybe on-prem, maybe cloud, maybe a mixture of the two. So we want to assimilate the metadata, and that's exactly what Hammerspace does. That allows us to manage data through its smallest constituent components, namely the metadata, creating a single cohesive and coherent container of storage that can be managed as one. And we could do it easily either through our GUI, through a CLI, or an API. That in turn allows us to infuse the metadata with a declarative intent so that we can align it with our business objectives. And whether those objectives are traditional storage considerations such as availability, durability, or making sure that we have agility, portability, control, efficiency, data protection, and even creating complex workflows such as a CI/CD pipeline, making sure that our data, as it's consumed by containers, by pods, that it ends up in the right place. And that's Hammerspace. Thank you for watching.